You know, it's 6.5 years now being the public protector. And I would indicate that I never had peace since I started to work as the public protector. And I think or the cause of all the troubles which you have indicated, Advocate Mpofu, in your opening, touching the untouchables, and I think the real cause being the Democratic Alliance, because as you would know, during my appointment, they were the only party which never supported my appointment. And they were the only party which then after that started with the allegations of me being a spy. It's good that one is here to just then put things into perspective. And indeed for the public to hear directly from me, because those who have ears will hear, and those who have eyes will see. So, and for them to judge for themselves, because unfortunately, they have been told by the most powerful, well, the media, sometimes manufacturing concern and, portraying a narrative which is so wrong. I went all out for this country. Currently, I'm under suspension because of what I was trying to do. I was doing my work. Above all, my belief that I cannot betray my beliefs and my people because of the evil deeds and intentions of my detractors, which requires me to stand firm in the face of adversity, guided by the spirit and ethos of other prosecuted women who came before me, including Winnie Madikizela Mandela, Rosa Parks, and Esther of biblical times, who famously stated that she would not look back on her mission to face the all-earthly ruler and powerful king. She stated defiantly to her people, as reflected in the book of Esther 4, verse 16, where she said, go gather all the Jews in Susa and hold a fast on my behalf, and do not eat or drink for 3 days, night or day. I and my young women will also fast as you do. Then I will go to the king, though it is against the law, and if I perish, I perish. I think this verse I mentioned when I was about to issue the rogue unit or the so-called rogue unit report. And unfortunately also that's what happened, because it was like when I was trying to guide and show what needs to be done, what were the root causes of the problems going forward, how to change that, then it was unfortunately interpreted to be something else. So this also is one of the verses which gives me strength.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if you investigate the president and you hold the president to account, definitely you will then face such, well, that's why I'm sitting here. And whereas you find the media, which is also not helping, because it's a key strategic partner of the public protector, which in any democracy, they should be the ones who are the voice and who are also helping to address issues of corruption, issues of maladministration. But then you find that they are the ones who are then magnifying the mistakes which we do, and mistakes which are trying to show that the facts before us and the evidence is the violation of this particular legislation or of the constitution. You know, sometimes having these powers, it's like a curse. Well, for me, I felt as if having these powers, having to investigate the executive, people who have the resources well resourced, then you are treated as if you'd want to, or you are targeting them, and worse, taking the matter to court, opposing, trying to bring to the court's attention what was the way or how we investigated the matter. I mean, I'm sitting here, I'm example, possibly they need to make an example with me or as a sacrificial lamb, but then my successors or generations to come shouldn't be treated like how I'm being treated. The untouchables, which are the members of the executive.
Yes.
Because well, some have issued very derogatory statements against me, others calling me a hired gun, others are calling me a rogue public protector, all in the name of just doing my work. And the biggest mischief is Executive Members Ethics Act. Hence now there's also professional jealousy, or some judges thinking that I'm competing with them. I also want to be a judge. I'm not saying I'm a judge, but it's because of that remedial action. My case, I didn't bring myself here. It's a determination of fitness to hold office. The proposal going forward is for me proposing to the chairperson, we're using the same fiscus and the same resources. And to answer Honorable Nkosi as well, Guti, and Honorable Sukras, I'm very much concerned about the resources of the state. And I'm not saying PPSA, CEO, no, Galega must violate the legal prescripts, PFMA and everything. But I'm saying in the process, NABO, they should have also engaged me, or alternatively, when they speak to you, why can't we then tap into the very same resources you are using to pay AMA evidence leaders? And then a speaker, because it's his process, it's her process actually. Why can't we then go there? In National Treasury, if we avail AMA resources for this process, let them avail process the money for that particular process. But Mina, I won't. And unfortunately, Chairperson, I will be appearing, and I was going to ask you and plead with you that can I appear online as well, but there won't be anything which I'll be saying because I wouldn't have a legal representation, and the Constitutional Court judgment is very clear. Legal representation of my choice. Maybe let's not engage with Galega and pardon them possibly. But Mina, I'm bringing it squarely to this committee because it's a parliamentary process. So I think wherever you get the money, and the members of the public, I know the media is saying I am running away from the process, and I want this process indeed, and hence I said I appreciate it so much, and to clarify the information, but as well, can we use the same fiscus? Thank you.